There are two packaging exhibitions in Korea. They are held biennially. Korean Pack is held in even-numbered years and Seoul Pack is held in odd-numbered years. This year is the Korean Pack's turn. Would you like to enjoy the Korean Pack with me? Let's go! Many companies are participating in the packaging exhibition this year. You see companies are exhibiting their goods from Hall 1 to Hall 5. There are many companies. In the packaging technology, cosmetics, and logistics industries. In Korea, we select excellent packaging technology every year and offer the Korean Star Awards. This year also has the exhibition hall for 2022 winners. Let's take a look at them later. The packaging industry in Korea is supervised by the MOTIE. There is KITECH under the MOTIE. The KITECH has the Korea Packaging Center. The Korea Packaging Center award excellent companies with the government budget. The highest award is the Prime Minister's Award. The lowest award is the KAPPE Award. There are about 30 award-winning works. This item was awarded the Prime Minister's Award. This is a water bottle made by a company called Samdasu. As PET bottles are used as water bottles, many environmental issues has emerged. To solve the issue, Samdasu recycled plastic bottles and made new water bottles manufactured with recycled content. Nowadays, water bottles are being transformed in 3 ways to enhance recyclability. The first is to remove the label entirely. The second is to make a transparent lid for water bottles. The third is to manufacture PET bottles with recycled materials. The third is the most difficult process, and Samdasu, a large corporation, made it possible. It made the bottle with 70% of virgin resin and 30% of recycled materials. The bottle has passed all standards including hygiene and economic feasibility, so the technology is applied to real products. Once the technology is applied, other companies start to follow. Korea uses PET bottles mainly for water bottles. This greatly affects the environment, and recycled bottles are excellent to protect the environment. These products are awarded the Minister of Trade, Industry and Energy Award. In fact, as we go through COVID-19, the use of disposable items has greatly increased. During the pandemic, we naturally used a lot of plastic cups, and it has caused many environmental issues. To tackle the issues, this takeaway cup is made of 100% paper. The lead film attached to the top is also made of paper. Before, the inside of a cup was coated with polyethylene. Now it is coated with a water-based coating agent for water resistance. The straw is also made of paper and 100% recyclable. There are a few difficulties when developing such a container. Water resistance is slightly different when coating with resin and with polyethylene. To complement that, we sometimes increase the average weight of paper slightly. This was designed to increase the recyclability of packaging while considering all the factors. In the case of this machine, the labeling device was developed together so that you can attach that. So you can say this is the packing system. This is an industrial product. It also received the Minister of Trade, Industry and Energy Award. It is a package for portable butane gas packs. Korea occasionally witnessed explosions of portable butane gas packs. To prevent such explosion, they developed a safety device for the valve here. So it does not explode even when heated inside thanks to the improved structure. Wonderful product. These products are difficult to be recycled due to their convenience, but consumers have to use these products for convenience. This product improves safety with technology for the safe use of consumers. It is made by a fairly large Korean company that manufactures portable gas packs. This is a package for kimchi developed by CJ Cheiljedang. It also received the Minister of Trade, Industry and Energy Award. Let me explain its feature. Even though kimchi is a representative fermented food in Korea, many problems occur during the fermentation process of kimchi. The thing is that consumers cannot easily identify when the kimchi was made. This complemented that shortcoming. This packaging material changes its color according to maturing of the kimchi packed inside. You can say it's intelligent packaging. It turns red when kimchi is matured and turns green when kimchi is fresh. If you print this part using a pH-responsive ink, the pH level of gas generated inside affects the packaging material. This part shows the corresponding color. In this way, consumers can identify how mature the kimchi is. So the consumers can easily make choices and distinguish the matured kimchi from fresh kimchi by the color. Another issue in packaging kimchi is the gas. During the fermentation, microorganisms use the sugars in the food, and in turn, the acid and CO2 are generated. When CO2 is generated, the pressure builds up inside. This Thai packaging here has been designed to slightly go up to prevent the bag from bursting when the pressure is up. Now, this is a bit of a particular practice in Korea. Food packaged like this is classified as simply processed food without tax. Perfectly packed food is classified as processed food that is subject to a 10% tax. That's why large-sized kimchi is packed with an attached handle and small-sized kimchi is packed with general packaging materials. It has the double-layer packaging structure. Nylon and polyethylene are combined to make a composite film for packing. Nylon and polyethylene are used to endure increased internal pressure caused by gas. If you think of general toothpaste, the toothpaste has a lid on the top of it. But this product is designed as a one piece containing a lid and a cap. Because the lid is removed, that much plastic is reduced. This is a way to make eco-friendly product, but in fact, it uses a high-level technology that is quite difficult to develop. Using a one-touch cap reduced the amount of plastic. By making it with polyethylene, the same material as the tube, it is easy to recycle. This is a product with excellent technology that received the Minister of Industry, Trade and Energy Award. Now let's look at this. This product was developed by Samhwa, a manufacturer of cosmetic containers. Previously, the pump was made of different materials, so recycling was not easy. This time, it is made of the same material that is easy to be recycled while maintaining the same functions. In cosmetic containers, this kind of technology is quite necessary. Next, this product is made by Cheongkwanjang, a Korean company that is older than 100 years. This is the Korean red ginseng extract pouch developed for consumer convenience. In the past, it was luxurious packaging with gold foil. This time, the packaging design is simpler with the craft paper. And the paper handle. If you look at the handle shape, you can insert the paper handle here. So that it can be as strong as the plastic handle. It's not easy to design a paper handle because you need to adhere many layers of paper so that it can have enough strength. I think this used a fairly high level of technology. To increase the strength in the bag, it is made of double layers. Also, packing materials are folded to increase the strength again. This product started from a very interesting idea. When we display products like this, but this product has dual cases so that you can just open it and lower it down for display. Recently, we use this type of stick pack packaging for users' convenience in Korea. There is a cut line in the stick pack. Consumers can just cut it with their hands and eat it conveniently. For packing materials, PET, aluminum, and polyethylene composite film are used. These products are designed to have a shelf life of more than a year. Because it contains sterilized products, you don't need to worry about the shelf life. I think you can try this type of packing. It's an interesting idea. An issue with kimchi packaging is how to remove gas generated inside the package. This needs to be solved. Here, this product is designed with nanostructured packaging materials, so the gas fill up inside can come out through a nanostructure valve. When CO2 is generated inside, it goes out through the valve. Also, the packaging has been designed to allow only a small amount of oxygen to enter from the outside to maintain freshness. On the upside, less gas is filled in the package. The downside is that smell of fermented kimchi can come out. This packaging may not be used for export products because some foreigners do not like the smell of kimchi. This product has been jointly developed by Amore Pacific and Dongwon Systems. It is a mask pack that many women use. The mask pack must be packed with moisture and certain shelf life should be guaranteed. Thus, you need to use aluminum foil for the inside of the packing. That is very difficult to be recycled. This product is made of a single material instead of composite materials while maintaining the same functions that making it easy to be recycled. It is difficult to have vapor and gas barrier properties with a single material. So this packing technology contains great know-how. However, you should pay a little more attention to the shelf life. Korea has a tax called Environmental Improvement Charges. The Environmental Improvement Charge is different for composite materials and a single material. If you use a single material, you can spare taxes and better protect the environment. Generally, you need to use PE of nylon to make pouches with barrier properties. You need to use composite materials to make the oxygen permeability less than 10. This product uses a single material, but still enhance the barrier properties like composite materials with the coating technology. Composite materials must be buried or incinerated after separate discharge. If a single material is used, PE and PP can be recycled respectively, reducing the damage to the environment. This product also has an interesting idea. If you buy 500 grams of tofu, you can't eat it all at once. So small packaging is being made, but small packaging puts more burden on the environment. The large-sized tofu is packed but with a separate lid. Consumers can use it continuously by opening and closing the lid and can buy a new one when necessary. You eat a certain amount of tofu and store the remaining tofu in the refrigerator after closing the lid. The idea is good, but let's see it from the consumer's point of view. If this part gets contaminated, it may also contaminate the contents. But if you wash the lid before use, you can reduce environmental problems and improve the consumer convenience at the same time. Generally, once you open the package of tofu, you cannot seal it again. Many people eat half and put the remainder in the airtight container. This product with a separate lid uses more advanced technology in terms of hygiene. This package can be used for takeaway coffee or coffee drinks sold in supermarkets. It is good to drink by itself, but this part can be contaminated, making us worry about hygiene. That's why most structural design uses a single-use straw. This product has a structure that allows you to directly drink the beverage. This is how it is distributed, and consumers can open the lid to drink the beverage. This part will not be contaminated, so you can reduce the environmental burden and disposable straws. This product is made with a high-speed injection technology that makes plastic containers very thin. The thicker it is, the higher the cost is and the greater the environmental burden is. Thus, the product is made thin, and the sticker on the side is also made of the same material by using the in-mold label method for easy recycling. This lid is also made with high-speed injection technology, not by general thermoforming method, to maintain the durability and airtightness of the container. You put the drink here and attach an aluminum sealing paper on top. Then you close the lid and distribute the product. Consumers can remove the sealing paper and put the lid back on the drink, the beverage. Let's see this product. When you make a lid on glass bottles or PET bottles for cooking oil and vinegar, you need to add a leak-proof stopper. The leak-proof stopper is there for consumers to use a certain amount only. However, once the stopper is assembled into a bottle, it is very difficult to separate it again. This product uses specially developed technology, so you can just detach the handle here to remove it easily from the bottle. If you look closely, this is what happens when you remove the handle in step 1. In step 2, it falls even further. In step 3, it completely falls off, so you can easily remove it from the bottle. It can be glass or PET. The material above is polyethylene. This product was developed by using the characteristic that recycling becomes easy when the two are separated. Next, this is a packaging method applied to ramen or snack products. In general, it contains aluminum metallized film. We print the design on the front film and use aluminum metallized film for the back side. We use the metallized film because it lowers oxygen permeability, light transmittance, and water vapor permeability. Because the metallized film is made of aluminum, recycle is difficult. To improve that, this packaging material is made of a single material while enhancing the barrier properties. If you melt this later for recycling, conventional products can be recycled in this way. And products developed with a single material have a changed shape like this. It's much easier to be recycled. This package is applied to cosmetics or sunscreen. It has improved the sealing property of the inlet in the top. The contents come out even with a little pressure. When the pressure is stopped, the contents do not move. The product is developed with technology to increase user convenience. This product is also made of a single material instead of composite material for cosmetics. The single material itself is the technology efficient for recycling. Now, this is another idea product. This product has two sections for both the toner and lotion. There is an arrow on the lid. Align the arrow to A and press the lid to use A. Align the arrow to B and press the lid to use B. If one side of the two is used up first, you can refill the content and close the lid again. You are using the container while using it as is. This is a technology that reduces the amount of waste. You can use the content A and B together by aligning the arrow. This is the laundry detergent. Detergents are usually packed in paper boxes. It is very inconvenient to use them because the laundry room is quite humid. The packaging material is changed to plastic film for better water resistance even when it gets wet. In the past, packaging was made of nylon composite material, so it was difficult to separate them for recycling. That's why it was changed to a single material. Sealing strength and bag making technology are quite tricky when using a single material. The technology solved all the problem while using a single material. Usually, soaps are packed with plastic film, but this product is different. Its primary packing material is paper and secondary packing material is the pulp mold made of paper, contributing to eco-friendliness. Because the soap is very sensitive to fragrance and moisture, paper packaging for soaps should be good at blocking fragrance or moisture from the outside. The company used to internal coating technology and completely solved the issue. You can see the technological prowess here. For luxurious paper box packaging, we use to laminate gold or silver foil on the paper. This packing technology creates the gold foil effect with ink without laminating. In Korea, luxurious products are packed in boxes containing gold or silver foil for gift packaging. This one creates effect with the ink without using aluminum foils. so it can be recycled as paper without removing the aluminum. Although the printing effect is somewhat less, but this technology made a huge improvement in terms of eco-friendliness. Samsung Electronics uses the packaging materials to prevent damage when distributing service materials, and it changed them to eco-friendly ones. In the past, it mostly used plastic and styrofoam. Now, it uses eco-friendly papers and buffers with air cells to enhance eco-friendliness. This can be applied to industrial products, but you need to be careful to apply it for agricultural products and food. This material has a cushioning effect but is a little sharp. Soft agricultural products like mangoes can be easily damaged by the edges, so you need to test it first before applying it. Generally, cushioning materials are made of foamed polyethylene. This product has replaced commonly used plastic buffers with corrugated cardboard buffers. This can reduce the burden on the environment. This is vinyl tape, but paper tapes make it easier to recycle cardboard. This package changed the buffer material from vinyl to paper. The next product is wrapping paper for heat insolution and cold storage. Foamed styrofoam boxes are widely used for heat insolution and cold storage packaging. The styrofoam box is disposable. This product uses the foamed polypropylene. It can be used several times. It also has excellent durability and cold storage effect. Because it is used several times, it has better price competitiveness than disposable styrofoam boxes. The product is designed to freely change specifications by using the partitions depending on the content volume. The technology is developed to efficiently use the internal space through the partition. The downside is that you have to wash it to reuse it. Some products with hygienic issues have the potential of secondary contamination. But if you use this as a cold storage box for products with primary packaging, it can be a good idea. Another advantage is that the styrofoam box cannot be assembled and disassembled like this product. A warehouse for styrofoam boxes need to be huge. Because this product can be disassembled and assembled again, you can efficiently use the warehouse space. Damaged parts can be also replaced with new parts. Under the COVID-19, the morning delivery service of a company called Market Kurly gained a lot of popularity. Market Curly cares a lot about eco-friendliness, and it developed a cooling buffer made of many layers of paper to replace styrofoam. This idea product is designed to keep cool air by creating an insulating layer with a buffer using a paper structure. You can put food here in the packaging. And here the double-sided tape to seal it. This box structure is identical to that. It is packaged in 3 layers like this. These two have the same structure. The eco-friendliness has been improved, but the cold storage effect only lasts for a short period and not for a longer period. Korea Star Awards has 2 sections, for companies and for students. Students present packaging ideas and awards are given to them. Let's take a look at the students' ideas. This student has an idea for more eco-friendly medicine packaging that uses eco-friendly craft paper to pack medicines. This is a special package for the perfume. There are various ideas like how to drink tea right from the cup, many printing ideas, and ideas for juice containers. Some products can be commercialized and some are difficult to be commercialized. This product is very interesting. If you cross shoes like this, it can increase space efficiency and serve as a good packaging design. Let's look at other products. This is a cup holder for takeaway coffee. This one placed design inside of the cartoon box, so consumers can see the inside design when open the lid. So far, we've explored the Korea Star Awards. This is an eco-friendly packaging material. In the past, the cup noodle container was made of paper for the bottom and the plastic for the top. We used to close the lid to use it. Now it is made of 100% paper. If you put the plastic string packaging on the outside, it won't come off, making it eco-friendly packaging. You put cup noodles here, seal it, and close the lid. Also, the inside is coated with polyethylene. That is to prevent water from leaking. Because we changed the cup noodle container from styrofoam to paper, an issue has risen. Styrofoam has better heat insulation effect than paper. That's why recent products coat the surface with foam substances to improve the insulation effect. This is a sample cutter, a machine that cuts corrugated cardboard when making a prototype. You can make samples of various packaging with this machine. Cambodia would make a good use of this machine. You can make prototypes by cutting samples you need. The price ranges from KRW 80 million to 90 million. This is the logistics system. It automatically sorts products according to the type and weight so that they can be shipped appropriately. It is a must-have equipment for courier and shipping companies. This system has a sensor immediately classifies items. This is an automated warehouse facility. When products arrive, it senses the products by product code and automatically match and upload them. This is an automatic logistic device that automatically takes out the goods. This is a logistics company called Jetpak. Its main products are automatic packaging machines, box taping machines, robots, and automated production lines. Let's take a look around. This is an automatic box taping machine. When a box passes, the machine automatically puts a tape on its part. This is an automatic packaging machine. Now it's an automated robot. This is a production line. Hello, this is Avery Dennison. Recycling has become a hot topic recently. The The first thing is to introduce is a PET bottle. When PET bottles are recycled, they are crushed. The special label developed by us gets separated from the bottle and floats on the water. The remaining PET in the bottom is processed into resin. Processed resin can be reused as PET bottles or t-shirts. Korean consumers don't like adhesive left behind when peeling off the label from glass bottles. When consumers remove the label, it falls off cleanly. As shown in the video here, it can be recycled back into a clean glass bottle. This is a solution that can determine whether a product is genuine upon purchase. You can easily identify the genuine product with a mobile phone flash. When you shine a flash here, a hologram appears. I can see OK here. On the left, you can see the Chinese characters for a genuine item. You can engrave a brand logo you want. Labeled products are certified as genuine and can be used for various packaging, when purchasing a product online, it is difficult to determine whether it is genuine. In the case of agricultural and fishery products, it is difficult to check the country of origin. If the information is put in the label, you can easily identify genuine products with a cell phone flash. Recycling is one of the most important global issues. After recycling, certain raw materials remain, which can be made into new labels. This is a sticker label made of PP, and 30% of raw materials are recycled ones. This is made of PEP 100% recycled materials. The product at the bottom is biodegradable. It is biodegradable in its natural state with landfill. It is the most commonly used, but it does not biodegrade well at room temperature. The product next to it comes in white and transparent, and it is biodegradable at room temperature. There are various development for recyclable materials, biodegradable materials, certification solutions for genuine products, and solutions to recycle glass and PET bottles. I hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you.